Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and today we have an awesome yoga for gut health. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. All right, my sweet friends, let's begin seated in a nice cross-legged pose. We call this the easy pose, Sukhasana, but it's not necessarily to mean that it's easy. So just come on down to the ground. If you need to lift the hips up or give yourself a little pillow or something to sit on to help you sit up tall versus rounded and collapsed in the spine. When we sit collapsed, our internal organs get kind of smushed together. So pause the video if you need to and find something to sit on so you can sit up nice and tall. Find a little lift from within. And then throughout regular practice, we'll find more ease in this shape. All right? Thanks for being here. Let's jump right in. Sit up nice and tall. Let your hands just gently rest on the knees or thighs wherever they fall naturally. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes here as we just take a second to tune in. Really utilizing and, I'm gonna say it, maximizing this time that you've carved out for yourself. So with targeted practices, you know, we have to also remember that with yoga, we're working with an understanding of the whole body. And that's what we're trying to grow, is this whole body awareness, that it's all connected. And when we're talking or considering gut health, I think that's an important reminder. All right. If you haven't already, begin to bring your attention to your breath. Notice if you're holding in your belly. See if you can soften there. And if you're holding any other place, the jaw, the toes, even in the hands or the shoulders, start to soften and relax. Come into the present moment. All right, it's all connected. Then, together, I'll invite us to take the deepest breath you've taken all day. Here we go. Ready? Big inhale. And as you exhale, go ahead and release it out through the mouth with a little sound. Good. Big inhale again. Exhale, sound. Relaxing the shoulders as you breathe out. One more time. Here we go. Big inhale. Lift your heart. Sit up nice and tall. And exhale, relax the shoulders as you breathe out. Good. Now bring your hands to your belly. Inhale, breathe in. This time as you breathe in, think of this directional breath, what we call directional breath. Your inhale goes down. You can feel your hands actually move as you breathe in. And exhale, soften. Hands gently draw in. Slight retraction as you breathe out. Twice more like that. Here we go. Big inhale. Feel the belly expand. Heart lifts. Exhale, navel gently retracts back to the spine. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Excellent. Bring your fingertips to your sides. Plant the left palm to the earth. Inhale, reach the right arm all the way up. Big side body stretch. If you feel collapsed in the belly, again, maybe lift the hips or work to find that kind of upward facing dog or cobra sensation in the heart, this lift of the chest up so we can minimize the collapse in the belly. And then when you're ready, we're going to take it all the way up and over, just past the front of your left knee. So you're feeling a big stretch in your lower right side of your back, sorry. And we're feeling a massage or a little compression in the left low belly. If the fingertips come to the ground, let them. If not, just reach, reach, reach. Great. Inhale in. For your next exhale, draw the chin to the chest. Good. Inhale, just reverse, come all the way back up. And exhale, right fingertips to the earth. Great, second side, right hand to the earth. Inhale, first come out of the left sideways by reaching all the way up. Left fingertips to the sky. Inhale in, exhale slowly, take it up and over just past your right knee, so going on a diagonal line. Creating space in the left low back, creating a little compression in the right low belly, right oblique. Maybe you stay reaching here, maybe the fingertips come to the ground. Breathe, breathe, breathe. All right, listen carefully. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, chin to chest. Navel draws in, hug the low ribs in. Sweet. Slowly reverse it, come all the way back up. Left hand reaches all the way up towards the sky and we come back down, fingertips to the earth. All right, we're gonna uncross the ankles here. Just bring one foot in front of the other. Let's unify. Let's bring the left heel in and then the right foot in front, just for starters. Then here we go, big inhale, palms face up, sweep up towards the sky, lift from your waistline. So creating a long sensation through the front body, this kind of grounding sensation through the back body. Again, coming up out of our organs a bit, finding that lift from the pelvic floor. Inhale in, exhale, dial your heart space towards your left knee, so a twist to the left, and then we're gonna take it down just like we did before. But this time, both fingertips coming towards the ground. Inhale to look forward, smile. Exhale, chin to chest, round through. See if you can create a little hollow body here. Navel draws in. Cool. Walk it through center. Get as low as you can. No need to go as low as me, but if you can get forearms to the ground, great. Otherwise, stay lifted. You can even come forehead to the earth. And then walk it all the way to the right. Inhale to look forward, smile. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale to bring it all the way back up. Reach for the sky. And exhale, fingertips float down gently at your sides. Good, let's switch. Right heel comes in, left leg out. Here we go, big inhale, reach for the sky. Beautiful, exhale from center. So slowly twisting to the right, but from here. Good. Inhale in again. Exhale over to your right, nice and easy. And just check it out, breathing deep. So really focusing on the sensations today versus the shape. Really always in yoga, but really today, so we can start to create more awareness, a deeper relationship with your guts. So many metaphors there. Okay, inhale, look forward. Exhale, chin to chest. Good, and then here we go, walking through, coming through center, forearms, fingertips, forehead to the mat. Nice hip stretch here, so breathe deep. Breathe into your belly. And then keep this train moving. Let's go all the way over to the left. Oh yeah. Inhale, look forward, open the chest. Find extension, exhale, contract, navel draws in, chin tucks. Sweet, and then release by bringing fingertips all the way up towards the sky. Big breath in. Exhale, fingertips float down. Awesome work. All right, from here we're gonna slowly come to a seat. So lean back on your bum. Bring your knees up into the sky. Bring your hands behind your thighs. Loop the shoulders, lift your heart. Inhale in, exhale, don't think, just breathe, lean back. Toes can stay on the ground. Inhale in, exhale, lift your heart, shoulders drop. And one more time, big breath in, send that breath down into the belly. Inhale, exhale, maybe the shins lift. Good. Try to keep your elbows hugging in so your shoulder blades can wrap down and around, yes. Inhale in again, exhale, maybe you release the fingertips, palms face up. Inhale in again, you never know. Exhale, maybe you straighten the legs, lift your heart. Armpit, chest lifting here, heart's lifting, elbow creases towards the sky for 3, 2, on the 1. Slowly release, come through to all fours. Knees underneath the hips, wrists underneath the shoulders. Just one cat-cow here, so drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Good, cross one ankle over the other. You're gonna paint your yoga mat with your mat as you come back all the way through to a seat and then all the way to your back. And when you land on your back, go ahead and center yourself on your yoga mat if you have one. And then I'll invite us all to hug the knees into the chest. So I'll meet you here. You can take a couple breaths here to rock gently side to side. A little low back love here as you scoop the tailbone up. Keep your shoulders relaxed, elbows, lots of awareness in the elbows drawing down perhaps here. Little awareness in the feet. Inhale in, exhale, draw your nose towards your knees. Doesn't matter if your nose comes close to your knees at all. Just find that intention. So really squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Option to grab the outer edges of the feet. Keep breathing here. And then when you're ready, slowly release. Hold on to your right shin. Kick your left leg all the way out. Inhale in deeply here. Exhale, peel your nose up towards your right knee. Keep breathing. Strong left leg, flex your left toes. Good, and then slowly release. We're gonna switch, send the right leg out, bring the left knee up. Inhale in. Exhale, nose toward the knee. Breathe here, strong right leg. Shoulders relaxed. Skin of the face soft. Good. Slowly release. Switch. Right leg comes back up. Inhale in. Exhale. Right knee crosses over the left side of the body. You can even shift your hips to the right side of your mat as you come into this supine twist. Send your right arm out long. Use the palm of your left hand to gently kind of comb the outer edge of your right thigh, that IT band all the way down. Power of touch. And maybe gently turn onto your right ear. Find that directional breath here, breathing down into the belly. You gotta bring the breath, you got this. The more depth of breath you can find in this practice, the more benefits I think you're going to experience. So think of it that way, my darling. When you're ready, let's come back through to center and switch. Take it to the other side, extending the right leg out, lifting the left knee up, and taking it over into your supine twist. Again, option to bring the hips over towards the left side of the mat. And then we'll extend through the left arm. Maybe you come onto your left ear, breathe deep. Ooh, my mid-back is a bit tight today. And then use your right hand to gently comb the outer edge of your left thigh down. Nice, deep, loving breaths here. You got this. And notice how the breath, and in particular, the depth of breath, notice how that can change your experience and the way you feel in this shape. Even just 3 deep breaths can change it. Change it all. I can even hear my stomach talking in this shape. It's working. Okay, one more breath. Come back to center. Hug both knees up into the chest once again. This time we're gonna take them wide, nice and wide. Knees wide, squeezing, lifting, breathing into the belly. If you want to take a happy baby here, you can. Grab the outer edges of the feet or the inner arches. Kick the soles of the feet up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Long breath out as you reach your tailbone towards the front edge of your mat. Nice, and then slowly bring the soles of the feet down to the ground. Hands come to the earth. 2. Walk your heels up towards your sits bones. Feet are nice and hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Inhale to lift the hip points up high. Breathe into the belly. Crawl the shoulder blades down towards your heels. And exhale slowly to lower. Good. From here, we're gonna walk the feet as wide as the yoga mat. Knees come in to touch. Soften through the bowl of the pelvis and bring your hands to your belly. Slow and steady clockwise circles. Rubbing the belly, nice and slow, breathing deep. If you have not caught a nice deep breath yet, do it for yourself now. And then stop, pause, relax everything here. Knees are kissing towards each other, elbows are relaxed on the ground, shoulders are relaxed. Close your eyes and just listen. Listen to your breath. Learn to take more time to listen to your guts, your intuition. It's all connected. And then just pay attention. Notice what came up here. There's no right or wrong. We're going to open the knees wide, lift the heels, lift the feet, cross one ankle over the other, grab the outer edges of the feet or your big toes. We're going to rock and roll up and down the length of the spine here. Should feel really good. Come back up to that nice, comfortable seat. Voice cracked. Hands on the knees. We're going to finish with a coffee grinder. Here we go. Inhale, smoothing the heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, send it back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, around and back. Getting the juices flowing here. So some of you may not know what those old-fashioned coffee grinders look like, but they look like this. And you turn the handle and you grind the coffee down below, and then you open the little drawer and your coffee's there for you. If you do know what I'm talking about, awesome. If not, you can imagine it. Reverse your circle. Sync up with your breath. All right, let your circle get smaller and smaller and smaller here. Smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until eventually you are stacked. Head over heart, heart over pelvis. Sweet. Bring the palms together. Anjali mudra at the heart. Sit up nice and tall once again. Inhale in deeply. Nice cleansing breath out through the mouth as you relax the shoulders down. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me and with Benji here today. I hope this practice serves you well. Bookmark it, favorite it, make a mental note. Practice this regularly so we can keep you healthy and happy and feeling good. Love you guys. Take good care. Namaste.